गोंयांत सनबर्न म्युझिक पार्टीच्या पयल्याच दिसा दोगा तरणाट्यांक मरण आयिल्ल्यान गोंय प्रदेश महिला काँग्रेसीन दुबाव उक्तायला. सनबर्नाक परवानो दितना गोंय राज्याचो उपमुखेलमंत्री, पर्यटन खात्याचो मंत्री मनोहर आजगांवकारान ड्रग्साचो वेव्हार थंय जावचो ना म्हूण जाहीर केल्ले. मात पयल्याच दिसा दोग तरणाट्यांक मरण आयिल्ल्यान सनबर्नाच्या जाग्यार ड्रग्साचो वेव्हार चालू आसा हें सिद्ध जालां अशें महिला काँग्रेस म्हणटा. तशेंच ह्या प्रकरणाची चवकशी यंत्रणां कडल्यान खोलायेन करची मागणी महिला काँग्रेस अध्यक्ष प्रतिमा कुतिनोन केल्या.
Well, the two deaths of the first day of Sunburn festival at Wagator due to the suspected overdose drugs, of the narcotic drugs I mean to say, is a matter of serious concern. The need of suspicion, the needle of suspicion I would like to say, for promoting such events are now clearly pointing towards one man in the ministry of BJP. That is, it's pointing towards the tourism minister Manohar Babu Asgaonkar, who is none other than the tourism minister of Goa. And his role in organizing the said festivals needs to be probed. We want a high-level inquiry into the role of Babu Asgaonkar, the tourism minister, who has always taken sides of the Sunburn festival in organizing this musical festival, despite the fact that the organizers have defaulted in the past. आणि आज overdose जाला जाल्यार हांगा narcotic department जे आसा, police machinery जे आसा, that has failed high level. Today it's giving a bad example to the youth, especially to the girls. As Mahila Congress President, with the team I would like to say, it's giving a wrong example. There are girls of 13, 14, 15 years who are feeling tempted to go for Sunburn because they are tender minds, they are into music, they want to see their favorite singers performing. But here there's something else going behind the scene. There's dope, there's ganja, people are on high-end dope. पोवपाचें नाशिल्लें खंय काल आमकां सोर्सिसान सांगल्या त्या भाशेन काल पोवपाचें किलोभर खंय गांजास डोप इंजेक्शन मारता स्ट्रिंग घेवन. दीस इज शोईंग हा गोवा इन बॅड लायट. यू ऑल आर प्रोमोटींग वॉट टायप ऑफ टुरिजम दॅट डेस्टिनेशन करूंक सोदता काय म्हूण विचारूंक सोदता हांव बाबू आजगांवकाराक. दे आर नॉट बट बॉर्डर्ड दॅट आर यंग टेंडर यूथ इन गोवा. Drug is spreading like cancer in Goa. But these people are only bothered about mission 30% commission. And the Goan youth are getting dragged into the drugs. But they are not interested because if we have seen in the last 3 years how the drugs have spread like cancer and how many youth have got into it and are suffering and how many families are suffering. बरे घरातले भुरगे आवय बापाय कडेन झगडून चोरून पयशे उनायस ड्रग्सांत आसा. Parents are suffering there. But these people are only bothered about their mission 30% commission. I want to tell you all that I also demand from the CM कि जो garbage minister asa Michael Lobo also needs to be probed. कारवाई करात garbage minister Michael Lobocheri. He also needs to be probed because he himself who will know better than which person will have good knowledge more than drugs than Michael Lobo. I'm saying it. And why I'm saying it? I'm saying it because he's the one who had claimed that he has got all the data, of the drugs dealers in Goa. Goyan je drugs dealers asa, कोण तांचो माफिया आसा, खंयच्यान ड्रग्स आसा. होच मायकल लोबो आयज जो गार्बेज मिनिस्टर आसा तो आपले तोंड घेवन सांगताले आपल्या कडेन डेटा आसा म्हूण. सो आयज ताका प्रूव करूंक जाय. कित्याक म्हाका दिसता वी सस्पेक्ट दॅट मायकल लोबो मस्ट बी हॅविंग डिटेल्स. He must be having details that who supplied these drugs to these two youth who are suspected and died of overdose of drugs. As Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress, we strongly condemn the failure of the BJP government to control the drugs in Goa. Strongly demands that a thorough, detailed investigation from a special investigation team should be conducted regarding the death of these two tourists. जे दोन जाण मेल्या काल तांचेर कारवाई जावपाकच जाय. We also demand that the government should not give permissions to any such events which encourage the consumption of drugs, alcohol and tobacco. तुमकां फेस्टिवलां करपाक जाय करात. We are not against the festivals. तुम्ही करात मरे. आमचे गोंयचे इतले कल्चर रीच आसा. लोकल फेस्टिवल आसा, हे ट्रेडिशनल फेस्तां आसा, फेस्तांचे तुमी प्रमोट करात. जात्रा जातात, जात्राच्या नांवान प्रमोट करा टुरिजम.
सनबर्न आनी बागा हांगा आशिल्लो नायट क्लब दोगांयचो ह्या प्रकरणात हात आशिल्ल्यान तांची चवकशी करची अशी मागणी प्रतिमान केल्या.
We demand a probe about the advertisement issued by the nightclub in Baga named Owl. आमचो महिला काँग्रेसाचो डिमांड आसा, मातशें ते एडवर्टिजमेंट खंयचे तरी आसा पळय इशूड केल्ले आसा नायट क्लब बाय आऊल, वो आऊल म्हणटा तो कोणाचो क्लब ते पयले तुमी फायंड आवट करूंक जाय. हांव सरकारा कडेन मागता मातशे दोळे उक्ते करात आनी चिंतात तुमचे एडवर्टिजमेंट, कित्याक वो वेन्यू जो नायट क्लब आसा वो जावन आसा none other than tourism minister मनोहर बाबू आजगांवकराचे चल्याचो. आणि वो we allege that the organizers of EDM, the organizers are there of the EDM, have selected this venue as what? As a part, it's like a deal for them to get the permission. So they have selected this Owl nightclub after party of Sunburn. So तुमकां कळ्ळें? This is a deal which is done just for the permission of Sunburn.